Good morning. We woke up a little late today, so
I didn't woke up.
yeah, Aiden woke up and he's playing with his pizza game over here while I'm quickly making the bed, and then we go downstairs and feed Marvel. But yeah, we're gonna go feed Marvel, okay, when mommy's done making the bed, and we brush your teeth and change your diaper. Yes. So yeah, that's what is happening. It's a beautiful weather outside, and by beautiful I mean that it's not raining, but it's extremely hot. So
hold me close till I get up.
there's Marvel, the sleepyhead, the lazy boy. Yeah, I didn't go show Nanu what you got there. Pizza.
You're selling pizza?
I'm making upma for breakfast for everybody.
Yes.
And
Everybody.
yeah, everybody.
What is written here? See? P. A. Hi. Oh my God. What do you want to eat?
No,
What?
we're gonna eat breakfast. Don't eat any snacks.
Yes. After breakfast you will eat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, Dad is ironing clothes upstairs. I have my face mask again. I'm gonna put it on Dad and Mayank again today. And then I have all these shoes that I need to go wash. My Aiden and Mayank. So I'm gonna go soak them in the tub for like an hour or so, and then I'm gonna wash them. So yeah, that's the plan. So let's go upstairs. There's a face mask.
Daddy has it.
Yeah.
Daddy has it.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hi, can I give you a kiss? No? Can you?
Put the whole thing in your mouth. Good job. We are eating leftovers from last night's dinner that we ordered Indo-Chinese, and we have some leftover situation here. Everybody's eating that. And we're watching Couple for now. Ian is sleeping, Marvel is sleeping, so we're just gonna enjoy our lunch. And
Alright guys, this is the current situation. He is doing something to Marvel and not letting him sit quietly. Tanya is relaxing with a sprained hand, and I am on the kitchen duty today. So I am making green peppers and potatoes veggies. I am also prepping for tomorrow's road trip because we are going out tomorrow, and I am talking to this guy. For those who don't know, he's my brother.
no, leave it.
And dal is in here, and that's it. That's what's cooking in the kitchen. I'm on the kitchen duty today. We went outside, took him to the park, and they are having their dinner because we are a little running behind the schedule. We are a little 8:30 already. I'm prepping for tomorrow, so we are making safar wale aloo for those people who travels a lot. There's this special kind of potato or that you cook when you travel back in India. So the name comes safar wale aloo. Safar means travel. So we are making that and some puris, and we're gonna prep it tonight and keep it. And then we'll take you through our journey for